So next to me, I got a new Jeep Wrangler JL. Let's see what it's like. First thing we got to talk about though is the color. It's called Hellayella, because why not? What else could you possibly call it? So this is the new 2019 Jeep Wrangler, the second year of the new JL model and platform. The JL replaced the outgoing JK, and the thing is, it's 2019 now. A certain level of quality and refinement, it's expected in a new vehicle. So Jeep had to infuse these qualities in what's still a extremely capable off-road machine full of badassery. And really, to be honest, they nailed it. So of course, it still looks like a Wrangler. That's probably the most important thing, don't mess with success. It still has that evocative, boxy silhouette that has made Jeeps famous. So the changes are very subtle. On the side here, there's a little character line crease here. It visually widens the Wrangler behind the front wheel. You've got this lovely little vent here. The hood has a sexy little power bulge. The Rubicon models have some vents for some extra flair and aggressiveness. The 7 vertical grille slats in the front, they are larger than before. Also, the Jeep branding is actually not there anymore. But really, if it doesn't say Jeep, would you really question that this isn't a Jeep? Because I don't think so. This is a Jeep. And of course, look right here on these door hinges, easily removable. Inside though, meet the Wrangler for a new generation. All the materials in here have been upgraded to a softer, more quality feel, and just the overall design aesthetic here, it works in a very cohesive manner with the rest of the vehicle. It's nice, it's modern, but it still has this classical flair to it that is unmistakably a Jeep. So what's it like to drive on the road? Compared to an old Wrangler, it's much sharper, it's quieter, it's more comfortable, the ride's better. The steering, it's sharper, there's nice weighting to it. It's by no means a sports car. It's not meant to be a sports car, but it feels like a car built in 2019. Mechanically though, are where the biggest changes lie. There's an optional 2-liter turbocharged engine now that gives a great abundance of torque at any engine speed, while also improving fuel economy. Of course, there's the tried and true naturally aspirated V6, like the one that's equipped in this Wrangler. The old 5-speed automatic is out, and in is a new 8-speed unit. There's more gears to keep the engine in the power band more often and also improve fuel economy. And it shifts incredibly quick and smoothly. And for the purists out there like myself, there is a 6-speed manual still available for those that, like to row their own gears. Even though some things are no longer analog, like the turbocharged engine and the 8-speed automatic transmission, the transfer case for the 4-wheel drive system is still a manual control. Great satisfying feel to it. It's a bit hefty. That's what makes it cool. It's like, yes, I did that. Let's put this into 4-low, give it a nice tug, and feel it lock in there. And with that new turbocharged engine with the 8-speed automatic, the combined fuel economy can be up to 22 miles to a gallon. And a Jeep Wrangler. The chassis construction is of course still the classic body-on-frame design because it's stronger, it's more durable. Without it, the Jeep Wrangler would not be nearly as capable as it is off-road. That's what gives it the strength needed to conquer just about anything, whether it's pavement or the Rubicon. For what the Wrangler is supposed to be, this niche, this expanding niche, because the Wrangler is more popular than ever. It's crazy. This is a niche vehicle. This is a specialty off-road vehicle, yet it's incredibly popular. People buy them just to commute to work with. It's not meant for that, but people do it because it's cool. Because I'm in a Wrangler and you're not. This is a vehicle that traces its lineage and heritage all the way back to the Second World War. The simple fact remains, the Willys Jeep, it helped win the war, and that's cool.